So now we look at this word. Look at this word. Okay, can someone read this for me? The first word. Yes, can anyone read this for me? The first word.
ماذا تأكل؟
Only this word. Only this word. Again, are you? Abdullah?
Aina.
Aina. Thank you, Abdullah. Aina. This is this is the ya. Ya and with the sukun I. Aina. Aina. So aina means where. Aina. Aina where. Okay. Aina where. And then followed by this word. Ta'kulu. 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 Ta'kulu means eat. But who eats? Is it I eat or you eat? When I say ta'kulu, remember when we learn the verb?
You.
Yes, you. Thank you, Murali. When we learn the verb, we say that the verb will change, right? The first letter of the verb will change according to the person. So you can refer to that lesson again. If you want to say he, you start with ya. Yazhabu. If you want to say I, you start with azhabu. Okay, if you want to say she, then it becomes tazhabu. So here this is the application of it in sentences. Aina ta'kulu. So ta here, this is for you. You ta'kulu, and this word ta'kulu is eat. So where do you eat? Aina ta'kulu. Okay, and this is also similar. Aina ta'kulin. So when I say ta'kulin, this is for male or for female?
Female.
Female. You or anta? You or he? Or she, sorry. This is also you. This is similar to ta'kulu. So we say aina ta'kulu. For example, if I ask Mr. Sam, I ask him, aina ta'kulu, where do you eat? If I want to ask Nona, then I will ask her, aina ta'kulina. Ta'kulina. Okay. So that is the first question, aina. You can replace it with other verbs that you have learned. For example, you use this one, ashrabu. How do you change this? You want to make it a question. The questions will be, where do you drink? So we should use the same word, aina, but here ashrabu. What do you do?
Tashrabu. Tashrabu.
Tashrabu, good. So the question now is aina tashrabu. Okay, so aina tashrabu. Aina tashrabu for female. If I want to ask a woman, what do I say? Ashrabu I, tashrabu you for male. For female,
Ashrabi.
tashrabi na.
No,
In the end, you need to have na. Tashrabina. We say tashrabina. Yes, thank you. So, aina tashrabin? Aina tashrabu. So that is the question that you can ask. Aina. So if I ask you aina, you need to answer the place, the room, for example. Okay, let us do this. Aina ta'kulu. So the answer will be, of course, this is ana. You say akulu. Okay, aina ta'kulu. Where do you eat? Give me the answer. Aina ta'kulu, in your home, in your house, where do you eat? Aina ta'kulu. Yes, Abdullah.
Akulu fil bait.
Fil bait, yes, correct. But which part of your bait?
Fil ghurfa.
Fil ghurfa, good. Akulu fil ghurfa. Yes, that is one of the answer. Okay, who else want to try? Aina ta'kulu fil bait. Of course, it should be fil bait, but where is the place? Aina ta'kulu.
Akulu garfatun.
Fi ghurfa. Again,
fil ghurfat to'am.
Fi ghurfat ta'am. MashaAllah, good. Fi ghurfat ta'am. Yes, correct. So, akulu fi ghurfat ta'am. Okay, so I eat in the, what is ghurfat ta'am? In the dining room, yes. Akulu fi ghurfat ta'am. All right. So you just give me simple answer. So it shows me that you understand what am I asking, and then you know what to answer. So that's all. So for the oral quiz, it will be one of the question will be a short question like this. So maza ta'kulu? You know what I'm asking. Aina ta'kulu? If you do not know, maybe I will give you some clue. So at least you will be able to answer. All right. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
how do you say I eat on the desk,
I
on the
eat
table?
on the table. Okay. I eat on the table. Akulu. Okay. Thank you for the question. Akulu. You eat on the table. Normally you eat on the chair, right? On the table. The food is on the table. Akulu ala. But this is difficult. You don't eat on the table. At the table, right? You can say this. Amama. Amam is in front. Amam is in front. Amamal ma'idah. This is a new word. Ma'idah. Ma'idah is where the table where you have the dish. So you call it al-ma'idah. Okay, where you have all the food, you call it al-ma'idah. So amam al-ma'idah, in front of the
So
ma'idah.
ala is on.
Allah is on, yes.
So I can say akulu ala kursi.
Alal kursi, yes. Yeah, of course, alal kursi. But not alal maktab. Alal maktab, you're sitting on it. Alal kursi, yes, good. Yes. Okay, that
Okay,
is
sir,
the
thank
first
you.
one. Yes, thank you. Akulu. Okay, let us try other words. Let us try other verbs. Okay, we want to ask, okay, how do you ask? Where do you, okay, let us look at all the verbs again. Okay, now, if I ask you, Aina tushahidu tilfas? Aina tushahidu tilfas? Okay, what is that? Please find the verb here. The verbs are all here. My question is, Aina tushahidu tilfas? So what actually am I asking?
I watch.
I watch, okay. So the word is,
I watch TV.
I watch TV. Is this one?
Where do you watch TV?
Yes, my question is, where do you watch? So I changed the word to ushahidu. Sorry, I changed the word ushahidu. So now it becomes tushahidu. So I don't use alif anymore. I change to ta. So of course it will depend on the verb. So in our previous lesson, we changed to azhabu, tazhabu. So in the end, in all of these words, you say ta. But sometimes it depends on the verb. If the verb start with u, then you will say tu. You don't say ta anymore. Okay. So for this word, it is ushahidu. Then the word becomes tushahidu. So we say aina tushahidu at-tilfas. Yes. Where do you watch TV? Okay. So what is the answer? Aina tushahidu tilfas. Where is the place? Aina tushahidu tilfas. Fi
Fi sola.
fi salah. Good. Fi salah. Mr. Murali, don't say salah. Salah.
Sola.
Yes, because if you say salah, the word is the meaning is different. So it is salah. Yes, thank you. So fi salah, that is the short answer. The long answer, you will say ushahidu tilfas. So you repeat the verb, but of course you need to change from tushahidu, my question, to your answer. Ushahidu. Ushahidu at tilfas. All right. So you can do this for the rest of the verb. Aina tatbuhu, for example. I ask you, where do you cook? Aina tatbuhu. This one. Aina tatbuhu. Or if I ask a woman, I ask Nuna, Aina tatbukhin? Tatbukhina. So what is the answer? Aina. Where do we cook? Fil. What is the word? Kitchen? You need to go through the vocabulary again, right? So otherwise, you will have difficulties understanding the
Matba.
matbah. Yes. So you say atbuhu fi al matbah. So that is the first one. Aina. Okay. So remember what is aina? Oh, I'm asking about place. The second one. Okay. The second one. The second one. Okay. Here the second question here. Mata. So this is mata. This word is mata. This part is alif. This is alif. Another alif. Not the normal alif, but this is another alif. So if you see this shape without two dots, this is actually an alif. So here, fathah and alif, so you have a long vowel, long sound. That is why I say mata, mata. Don't say mata. If you read the long vowel at the wrong place, you will say mata and the meaning will be different. If you say mata, when? This is when. So ask a question, when? But if you say mata, die. He died. See the difference? Mata, he died, and mata, when. So don't say mata. Mata, that is the correct pronunciation. Mata. Mata ta'kul. So I am asking you, when do you eat? Okay, so now what do you answer? You have learned the words for time. You can say, mata ta'kul? I eat in the morning. I eat in the evening. I eat in the night, at night. Yes. Somebody, can you give me the answer? Mata ta'kul?
Feel la line.
Lail. Good. Yes. Fil lail. Yes. Fil lail at night. Okay. What is the full answer? I eat at night.
Ana feel line.
Ana fil lail. Okay. That is I am at night.
Oh, okay.
Ana what? You miss one word. You want to say I eat. Ana, yes, good. Ana, but you find the word I eat. This is the word. Akul. Okay, this is the the long sound.
Cool. Okay.
Akul, yes, good. So, ana akul fil lail. Alright? Ana akul fil lail. Okay, that is one way. And another way, we have another way of answering this. Lail. You don't say fil lail. How do you say? The second way. Anybody remembers? There are two ways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ana akul lailan.
Lailan.
Layan.
Lailan.
Lan.
Yes, good. That is the second way. So you can also answer ana akul lailan. Yes, good. Okay. So two ways. Ana akul fil lail. Ana akul lailan. Alright. The same thing you can say ana akul fil sabah. Ana akul lailan. Okay, good. So that is the second question. Remember this? Mata. So mata is what? Oh, this is asking about time. When? Mata. So in the next lesson, we will learn how to say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. All right? But today, it's just evening, morning, at night, and so on. All right. So the second question is mata. So of course, this is the answer that we said just now. Akulu, akulu, the same thing. Okay, now, the next question. Okay, look at this word. Ma'a. 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 Okay, that is the first word. Ma'a means with. With. The second word, man. Man. Man means who. Who. So, combination of these two, ma'a man. Ma'a man. With whom. With whom. Ma'a man. So, I'm asking you, ma'a man ta'kulu. With whom do you eat? So now you have to use the words, the person, the people that we have learned. We have learned family members. How do you say my brother? You can say my sister. You can say my mother, my father. Okay, can we do a quick revision? How do you say my father? My father. Anyone? My father. Can I give you the clue? Father is ab. So how do you say my father?
Should I go or not? Abi.
Abi, yes, thank you. So Abi. So now the word up, father, you add the E. So now it becomes Abi. Yes, good. So Abi, my father is Abi. Okay, my mother. My mother. Mother is Om. Yes, how do you say my mother?
Maza.
Maza?
Oh, yeah, Umi. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, yes.
Sorry, sir.
Omi. Yes, thank you. Omi. So we say Abi, Omi. All right. My brother. My brother. Anyone? My brother. The word is ah. So how do you say my brother? Abdullah, you want to say this now?
Akhi.
Akhi. Yes. So my brother is Akhi. And finally, my sister.
Ukhti.
Ukhti. Yes, thank you. Ukhti. All right. So you can use all these words in the answer. So we look at the question again. Ma'aman. With whom? Ma'aman ta'kul. So you want to say with my father. So how do you say with? Which one? Ma'a or man? Which one is the word with just now? We say ma'aman. Which one?
Sir, don't understand. Sir, come again.
Okay. Which part you don't understand?
I mean, just now, ma'an.
Okay, right. Okay. So this is ma'aman. So these two
Yeah.
words we combine. It means with whom?
With whom? Okay.
With whom? Ma'aman. With whom do you eat? With who do you eat? Ma'aman. Like that. They're interfering. Okay. Ma'aman ta'kul. With whom do you eat? All right. So now you want to answer, oh, with my father. So which word do you say? Which word do you use? Ma'a.
So, ma'a abi.
Good. Yes, that is the answer. So you say ma'a abi. Yes. Ma'aman ta'kul. Ma'a abi. Ma'a ummi. Ma'a ukhti. Yes. Okay. And how is the long answer? You want to say, oh, I eat with my father. Just now is the short answer. Ma'a abi. Now we want the long answer. The complete answer. I eat with my father. What is the word I eat just now?
Akulu.
Ma'a.
Akulu ma'a.
Akulu ma'a abi.
Abi, yes, correct. Akulu ma'a abi. Okay, so you need to be able to change that from my question. Ta'kulu, that is you eat. How do I say I eat? Akulu. Okay, if I say tashrabu, tashrabu. How do I say I drink? Ashrabu. Right? So that is your answer. Okay, so these are the three additional question that we can ask you. All right. So far, any question? Ina, where? Mata, when? And ma'aman, with whom? Okay. So now you should be able to answer the question. Okay. Now I want to add one additional question. One additional question. Okay. Please write this word. Okay. What is that? So this word. Maza. Okay, you can repeat after me. Maza. Maza ta'kul. Yes. Maza ta'kulu. Maza means what? Okay, maza means what? So now, okay, for example, now this is like the question. It will depend on your answer. So if, for example, I ask you, Maza taf'alu fil ghurfa. Okay, and then your response is ana akulu. That is your response. So my next question is, I will ask you, Maza ta'kulu? What do you eat? Just now you said I eat in the room. Now I'm asking you, what do you eat? So you want to add another word to the word I eat. So what do you eat? Then you have to find this word in the dictionary. Okay, let us try some words. For example, Maza ta'kulu. Okay, now what can you answer? I eat. Okay, give me some words. I eat rice. I eat bread. The common word. Don't give me difficult word. The common word. What do you eat? Okay, let's say we eat rice. Maza ta'kulu? I eat rice. So how do you say I eat rice? What is I eat just now?
Takulu.
Akulu.
Arz.
Yes, akulu. Good. And what is rice?
Arz.
It is aruz.
Arus.
Aruz. Yes, thank you. Akulu aruz. 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 So aruz is rice. Maza ta'kulu? Akulu aruz. So these are some additional words that I did not teach you, but you can try to find out. All right. So what you can do now is, because you want to answer this question, what? Maza. So then we look at all the verbs again. Some verbs are suitable for this question, maza, but some verbs are not suitable. Okay. Because for example, if the word astayqizu, this one, wake up. Of course, it is not suitable for me to ask you, Maza tastayqizu, what do you wake up? No, the question is not possible. The second word, aghtasilu. This is also not possible. I cannot ask you, Maza taghtasilu, what do you take bath? No. This one is suitable. So for example, I ask you, Maza tusalli, what do you pray? So you can mention whether you pray Zuhur, you pray Asar, you pray Maghrib, you pray Isha. Okay, so that is a possible question. Akulu, we had that just now. Okay, what about this? Ashrabu. Can I ask you the question? Maza tashrabu? What do you think? And can you find the answer if I ask you that question? Maza tashrabu? What do you drink? Yes, I can ask you this question. Okay, so give me an answer. Maza tashrabu? You want to say I drink. Okay, Google, find the word drink that you can ask. Yeah, you can use to answer. How to say water? How to say juice? How to say coffee?
Aurin.
Again?
Aurin.
What is that word? Aurin?
Yeah, it's Google it. It shows like AWRIN. Aurin. No,
What
is it?
I don't get it. What is that word? Aurin. Okay, find the word water. I drink water. Plain water. Okay, Google. Everybody please Google. Or you can use one app. I like this app, Al-Ma'ani. You can download this app. Al-Ma'ani. Al-Ma'ani. So you have for iOS and also for Android, they have this app, Al-Ma'ani. They are, you can download the Arabic English version. So you can enter Arabic word, they will give you English answer. Al-Ma'ani. So this is better than just using Google Translate. Okay, yes, what is water? Anybody? Did anybody find the word water? You want to say, I drink water.
Ashrabu
Ashrabu.
ma'un.
Ma'un. Good. Yes, thank you. So, maza tashrabu? Ashrabu ma. Okay, Abdullah, you don't need to read the last letter, ma'un. The on part, you just silence it. You just say ma. Okay? Yes. Why I don't say don't read that? Because this one is related to the grammar. So when you learn the grammar later you will not say ashrabu ma'un. You will have to change to ashrabu ma'an. But now we do not want to confuse you with all these grammar things. So that is why I say just ignore the last the ending part. You just say ashrabu ma. Ashrabu ma. So later when you learn all the grammars, then you know, oh, I should say ashrabu ma'an instead of ashrabu ma'un. Okay, is it okay, Abdullah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the answer. Yes, you can say ashrabu ma. You can find another word. Tea, for example, you say ashrabu shai. Ashrabu shai. Find another word. Coffee. How do you say coffee? Kahwa. Ashrabu kahwa. Okay, so I expect you to go and find your own words. All right. Okay, so that is for I drink. And then we look at another word. Atbuh. Atbuh, cook. So if you give me this answer, if you give me, oh, ana atbuh fi matbah, I cook in the kitchen. The next question will be, mada tatbuh? What do you cook? So then you have to give me an answer. What do you cook? So fine. What do you cook? Atbuh, anything, as long as you have the answer. I cook rice, I cook chicken, I cook meat, I cook vegetables. So find that word. Atbuh aruz, just now, Mr. Murali gave me the word rice. Atbuh aruz. So find another word. Atbuh, what is chicken? Ana atbuh dajaj. Okay, so go and find the words. Anamu is not suitable. So I will never ask you maza if you give me this answer. Ajlisu also not suitable. I cannot ask you maza tajlisu. No. Okay. Okay, this one. I read. Akra. This is, yes. If you give me the answer, ana akra'u, then I will ask you back. Maza taqra'u. What do you read? Okay. Maza taqra'u. What can you answer me? Maza taqra'u fil bait. At home. Fil bait. Yes, we have learned the word book. Quick, book.
Kitab.
Kitab, that is the answer. Good, kitab. The full answer, I read kitab. The question just now, taqra'u. So your answer will be akra'u. So you say akra'u kitab. So you use this word, akra'u, and then join to the next word, akra'u kitab. So you can find other words. For example, how do I say I read magazine? You find the word magazine. Akra'u majalla. Find another word. Akra newspaper. How do you say newspaper? Okay. So I expect you to find your own word. Al-abu, and the last one. Al-abu, I play. So you give me this answer. Al-abu, I will ask you back. Maza tal'abu fil bayt. What do you play? So you can give me an answer. Al-abu, I play ball. I play computer. I play handphone, and so on. Okay, so you find your own word. So this is another question that we can ask. Maza. All right. So remember this. Aina, asking about where, place. Mata, asking about time. Man, asking about people. And maza, asking about what, object. All right. So this is our lesson for the topic of al-bait. So this is the first part of the topic of al-bait.